I think the biggest issue that contractors run into is that construction is project-centric and no two projects are alike. And so there's a lot of guesswork, there's a lot of uncertainty, and it's just very dynamic. And that makes construction a lot more risky than a lot of other businesses. While there's this perception that contractors are out wanting to swing hammers and working in the field, the majority of them are pretty analytical. They want to make decisions based on data, but they don't have that data.
CrewCost is built by people who are in construction, who understand construction. We know the concepts that are important. You've got retainage, you've got job costing. You're gonna be able to better understand versus some generic solution is not gonna give you that info.
A typical company, they have to have a general accounting application. Then they have to have a tool for job costing. Then they have to have a hodgepodge of spreadsheets that collect all the data that falls in between. And because you have all these different applications, first off, it's really expensive, but none of the data goes from one application to the other. With CrewCost, we have all that under one platform.
Another thing that CrewCost offers that's unique in the construction industry is the work in progress report. That's something that's going to show you all your jobs together at one time. Those kind of numbers really help people on the operational side make strategic decisions long term.
We give customers a macro view of their company as a whole. They can now drill down and see how the individual projects that they've bid and won contribute to the overall portfolio of projects of their company as a whole.
At the end of the day, there's magic in the numbers when you start looking at everything that's going on. They'll give you insight. The more data you get, the more months in there. Okay, great, I'm hitting at the percentages I need to be over the long run.
You always want to make sure you have the right tool for the job that makes your team more efficient, that makes them get the job done faster. It's the same in the back office. No one's happy going to work using a generic accounting application that's built for other industries that makes their job harder. CrewCost makes their job easier.